Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, yesterday's CPI news definitely did cause the pound to go down still. I personally still think this move down is going to be a crutch into this move up, and I still think it's going to make a higher low and eventually continue the uptrend. But as of now, it's definitely going down on shorter time frames. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I still believe this first push up is a wave 1. I still think that this is a running flat wave 2 in the middle. Definitely fits the characteristics. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C looks like a running flat. If that's the case, then that means this is a 1 and this is a 2. Definitely no confirmation the wave 2 is over. It may actually still go down for several more weeks pretty easily and eventually end up continuing back up for the big wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now we did make a big push down yesterday, as you can see at the CPI news for the dollar. I still think that this is all just one big crutch into this uptrend, like I was showing on the weekly, like a 1 and a 2. We are back at a Fibonacci level. It possibly could actually end up ending here because to me it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 still. I still think there is a possibility that this could turn up, but as of right now, there's no confirmation that it is turning up, and you should primarily be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it's definitely drifting up a little, as you can see. The probably odds are that it is a crutch into this last move down, so maybe it'll go someplace between 38 and 78% of this last move down before we get another entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Kind of almost looks like it could be an ABC right here. It possibly is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. For me, trading a wave 5 is not really that desirable because often wave 5s are just very short waves and sometimes they even make higher lows. I would actually primarily be focused on trying to look for a break of structure to the upside. Then I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down, and I would look for either a 3-way pullback and an entry to go short, or if you are trading the very short time frames, you could possibly, once you get that break of structure, start looking for longs in an uptrend. The options are either it's going to make a crutch into this last move down, or possibly it could even turn into a trend reversal if this really is a wave 5 on the higher time frames. Either way, we don't have a break to the upside, so we should, as of now, still be looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at fxpipcollector.com. Thanks and happy trading.